We will start the demonstration by looking at the asset management application that New Way Research has built to monitor their assets in the field. They have built a variety of ways to filter the assets, from the machine status to individual model numbers. As you can see, the map is updating to reflect where those assets are located. Then I can drill into the specifics of any one of the assets to understand more information. Let's investigate the dialysis machine that is currently running in the Newton lab. We can see general information about the asset as well as the data readings from the device. Due to the number of temperature alerts that have occurred and exceeded a predefined threshold on this device, an event is executed to create a product issue in Windchill to inform the product development team. Here, I can also review other diagnostic information about the asset and filter down the list to those events that I'm most interested in. In this case, I can see that the asset has recorded several temperature alerts, which means that the temperature of the blood that is circulating through the device is outside the normal operating range. This can cause harm to the patient. This alarm is when the attendant at the dialysis center hears a warning that the temperature is out of range. Disabling this alarm could also lead to an adverse event. Here is an example issue that was created in Windchill from our connected asset. It has links to the affected product associated to it, and it can also be associated with other quality events. In this example, a customer complaint related to a low temperature issue. From this issue, other quality events can be initiated and linked back to this issue. CAPAs, change notices, and complaints can all be initiated from this issue to create the digital quality thread. We can easily navigate to the product's information page to view the bill of material, visualize the product, and understand which aspects of the product might be undergoing a change, represented by the orange triangle in line with the part. Using the Changes tab for this product, I have one landing spot to see all related issues as well as quality events. In this example, multiple complaints were created and related to this finished good. Reviewing an existing complaint that is in progress, we can see exactly where we are in the process and can drill into any of the detailed information related to this complaint. We can review the intake information that captures a summary of the event and where it occurred. In the evaluation of the complaint that specifies if we have met the criteria to continue to process this complaint. Here are a couple of general activities that have been defined to take immediate action for this complaint, and all the related products with corresponding activities and investigations being conducted for each component associated to this complaint. Critical to connecting the quality digital thread, we can quickly navigate to other related quality events. Here, we can get a quick understanding of where we are in the out-of-the-box CAPA process and review the information captured on the CAPA. Things such as what are the affected objects associated with the CAPA, which can be parts, documents, and software. Details about the request, summary of the review, as well as the investigation results that were conducted as part of the CAPA process. Here I have a plan that captures the corrections, corrective actions, or preventative actions that were previously defined. These actions can be used to initiate change notices using Windchill's out-of-the-box change management best practices. Again, tying the quality digital thread to the product digital thread. Using the associations table, I can navigate to the related change notices that were initiated from corrective or preventive actions associated with this CAPA. An update needs to be made so that the alarms are reset back to on in between patient treatments to reduce the risk of an adverse event. Circling back to monitoring our assets in the field, the change to address the software update has been reviewed and approved. Recall that an update needed to be made so the alarms are reset in between patient treatments to reduce the risk of an adverse event. We can deploy the updated version of the software to the specific asset that originally reported the product issue.